Hello friends, welcome to VAM Tech Zone. If you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe for the channel, comment and share, click on like button. Let's move on to the video. In this video we see about Oppo A53 5G features and full specification and working of Oppo A53 5G. Oppo A53 5G first look. Launch date and price. Launch date will be on May 21st, 2021 and the price will be 14,990. About the performance, chipset is used is MediaTek Dimensity 720 and CPU is an octa-core. Architecture will be 64-bit and graphics will be Mali G57M C3 and RAM will be 4 GB. About the display type will be IPS LCD and the screen size will be 6.5 inches and resolution will be 1080 into 2400 pixels and aspect ratio will be 20:9 and pixel density will be 405 pixel per inch and touch screen, yes, we have capitative touch screen, multi-touch screen and refresh will be 90 Hz and the brightness will be 480 nits. About the design, here height will be 162.22 mm and width will be 75 mm and thickness will be 7.9 mm and weight will be 175 grams. About the colors, we have three colors: secret night black, streamer purple and lake green. About the camera, we have main camera and front camera. Camera setup will be a triple camera, 16 megapixel, front of 2.2 wide angle primary camera and 2 MP front of 2.4 depth camera, 2 MP front of 2.4 micro camera and flash, yes, we have LED flash. Image resolution will be 4616 into 3464 pixels and camera will be a digital zoom and features will be autofocus, face detection, touch to focus and shooting mode will be continuous shooting mode, high dynamic range mode. About the front camera, camera setup will be single, resolution will be 8 megapixel, front of 2.0 primary camera. About the battery capacity will be 4040 mAh and battery removal is not possible and quick charger, yes, fast and USB type C supported, yes. And about the storage, we have internal storage of 128 GB and expandable no and USB OTG, yes. USB OTG, yes. About the network and connectivity, here a SIM slot will be a dual SIM, GSM plus GSM and SIM size will be SIM 1 will be nano, SIM 2 will be nano and network supported will be 4G, 3G, 2G and VoLTE network and Wi-Fi will be Wi-Fi 802.11 and Wi-Fi features will be mobile hotspot and Bluetooth supported will be V5.1 and GPS, yes, with 8 GPS and USB connectivity will be mass storage device and USB charging. About the multimedia, loudspeaker supported, yes, auto jack with 3.5 mm and about the sensors, Here we have a fingerprint sensors. Yes, fingerprint sensors position will be on the side. Other sensors supported in the phone is light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer and gyroscopy. Thank you for watching the videos. For more videos, subscribe for the channel. Thank you. Take care. Be safe.